Did you know that more than 80% of eye problems can be prevented with an adequate intake of vitamins? Yes, not only do they keep our eyes bright and healthy, but they can also protect them from serious diseases. Get ready to discover the 10 powerful vitamins that repair and heal your eyes. Imagine a world where your eyes sparkle with clarity and vitality. On our journey to optimal eye health, we understand that clear vision not only improves our quality of life, but also boosts our connection to the world around us. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you're passionate about taking control of your well-being through natural remedies and nutrition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss our latest insights on achieving a healthier, happier you. Vitamin A. We begin our nutritional journey with the dazzling vitamin A. This golden essence is essential for maintaining the health of our retina and boosting our night vision, allowing us to explore the world even in the dark. They abound on our table. From crunchy carrots to vibrant spinach to sweet potatoes, we have a feast of options to nourish our eyes with this powerful vitamin. But that's just the beginning, as we dive into an ocean of nutrients aimed at strengthening and protecting our vision. Vitamin C. Our next stop on this exciting nutritional journey is the powerful vitamin C, known for its ability to strengthen the immune system. But wait, there's more. This vitamin is also an eye health advocate, reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. How is this possible? Well, by fighting free radicals and protecting our eyes from oxidative damage, vitamin C becomes a vitally important shield for our long-term vision. And it's not hard to find, it's everywhere. From juicy oranges to exotic kiwis to vibrant peppers, our table is overflowing with delicious options to satisfy our vitamin C needs. With every bite, we strengthen our vision and move one step closer to ocular clarity and vitality. Vitamin E. Our nutritional journey now takes us to the fascinating vitamin E, a shimmering shield that protects our eye cells from the onslaught of free radicals. That's exactly what vitamin E does. It acts as a powerful antioxidant that safeguards our vision and promotes optimal eye health. And what better way to get this protection than through a delicious and varied diet? From crunchy almonds to nutritious sunflower seeds to fresh spinach, nature provides an abundance of vitamin E-rich options. Each bite is a step towards strength and visual clarity. As we indulge in a wide range of flavors and textures, stay close to the screen so you can continue to nourish yourself with information. Vitamin D. We continue with the sunny benefits of vitamin D on our journey to top eye health. This vitamin is not only vital for our bone health, but also for the protection of our precious eyes. By preventing eye diseases such as macular degeneration, vitamin D becomes an essential ally in keeping our vision at its best. Did you know that getting this vitamin is as easy as enjoying the sun? Yes, by simply getting outdoors and soaking up the sun's rays, we can increase our vitamin D levels. Impressive, isn't it? We can also find this vitamin in a variety of delicious foods, such as fatty fish and eggs. So don't wait any longer. Get out and enjoy the sun while savoring a delicious feast that nourishes both your eyes and your soul. Vitamin B2 riboflavin. We continue our journey to vibrant vision with the wonderful vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin. This powerful vitamin not only adds color to our lives, but it also fights dry eyes and eye strain, keeping our eyes fresh and radiant. And the best part, it's easy to find in a variety of delicious foods. From creamy dairy products to nutritious eggs to vibrant broccoli, we have a feast of options to satisfy our vitamin B2 needs. With every bite, we nourish our eyes and prepare them to face the day with clarity and vitality. Immerse yourself in a world of flavors and nutrients as you embark on this exciting journey to optimal vision and lasting wellness. Vitamin B6. It's time for vitamin B6, an essential component for clear, healthy vision. Not only does this vitamin add a touch of vitality to our diet, it also protects against age-related eye diseases. That's right, B6 works tirelessly to strengthen our eyes and keep them resistant to the passage of time. And the best part is that you don't have to look far to find this powerful supplement, as it's found in a variety of delicious foods. From sweet bananas to savory chicken to nutritious chickpeas, we have a wide range of options to meet our vitamin B6 needs. Vitamin B9 folic acid. It's time for folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, an essential nutrient for eye health right from the start. Not only is this vitamin essential for keeping our vision in top condition, but it also plays a crucial role in preventing congenital eye defects, ensuring healthy vision from birth. And where can we find this vitamin? Nature provides us with an abundance of delicious options, from crunchy green leafy vegetables to nutritious legumes and creamy avocados. With every bite, we strengthen our eyes and protect their long-term health. So do it. Immerse yourself in a feast of colors and flavors as you indulge in a diet rich in folic acid, taking your eyes to new heights of clarity and vitality. Join us on this exciting journey to optimal eye health. Let's continue with vitamin B12, an essential nutrient for eye health and more. Did you know that this vitamin not only boosts our energy but also protects our eyes from the dreaded glaucoma? That's right. B12 plays a crucial role in reducing the risk of this eye disease, keeping our vision in top condition. And the best part is that you don't have to look far to get it, as it's found in a variety of delicious and affordable foods. From juicy meats and fresh fish to creamy dairy products and fortified foods, we have an abundance of options to meet our vitamin B12 needs. Vitamin K. Wow! Vitamin K, an essential nutrient for clear, healthy vision. Not only is this vitamin key to preventing macular degeneration, but it also plays a vital role in maintaining ocular vascular health, ensuring optimal blood flow to our eyes. And where can we find this powerful vitamin? Nature provides us with an abundance of delicious options, from fresh spinach to vibrant kale and crunchy broccoli. With every bite, we nourish our eyes and protect them from the ravages of time, ensuring clear, vibrant vision throughout the years. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Welcome to the colorful world of lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful allies for radiant, healthy vision. These vitamins act as a protective shield, defending our eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays and reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. How is this possible? By accumulating in the retina, these vitamins absorb harmful blue light and neutralize free radicals, keeping our eyes strong and clear. And the best part is that they're right at our fingertips in a variety of delicious foods. From crunchy green leafy vegetables to sweet corn to nutritious eggs, we can enjoy a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. With each intake, we nourish our eyes and protect them from the effects of aging and sun exposure, ensuring sharp, vibrant vision throughout the years. In summary, these powerful vitamins are the key to bright, healthy vision. I encourage you, my dear viewers, to include them in your daily diet to ensure optimal eye health and enjoy a life full of clarity and vitality. And so much for today's video. I hope you found it useful and informative. Remember that at Goodness Nature we are here to accompany you on your way to a healthier and fuller life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. You can also leave us a comment in the section below to share your opinions, questions, or suggestions. Together, we can build a healthier and happier community.